Hello and welcome back to the world of the spirit consciousness. This is a continuation of the book study session on the astral body and other astral phenomena. We are now in the middle of the eighth module, which discusses with the astral life when the physical body is asleep. In this particular module, we will be discussing two topics. One is service in the astral plane, and other being astral travel. So let us understand the service in the astral plane. It is subdivided again as always. We will be looking at introduction, how to serve in the astral plane, and the nature of services that may be offered. Coming to the introduction, so we have invisible helpers who do get involved with the human efforts to guide, help, and protect. They work through the astral body in a planned and structured way. We will discuss the same in detail in a separate module covering invisible helpers. In this module, certain aspects of service in the astral plane will be discussed. How to serve in the astral plane? It can be said that before the person reaches the level of invisible helpers, a lot of useful work is continuously being done. So, someone who sleeps with the clear intent of carrying out a specific work will be ultimately executed by their astral body when it leaves the physical body. And as soon as this work is done, the individual will be surrounded by the cloud of self centered thoughts. Alternatively, the individual is habituated to start new work as soon as the previous work is over, in a state when it is apart from the physical brain. Sometimes the person chooses a task which requires the entire sleep time to be accomplished so that he or she can utilize the abilities to the maximum possible as constrained by such person's astral development. So the nature of services that may be offered. So every night before sleeping, one must decide to do some service on the astral plane. For example, provide comfort to a person in pain, by an effort of will, transfer strength to a friend who is unwell or weak, to bring calm to someone who is hysterical or overexcited, or any other such service. Success is guaranteed, even if it may be in small amounts. If the helping individual observes carefully, the signs of achieved results will be present in the physical world. So let us quickly see astral travel when the physical body is asleep. So astral travel is not instant, but it is extremely fast. It may be said that time and space both are virtually conquered. This is because even though the person is traveling through space, the speed is so high that all the places are virtually one for the person. A person might travel around the world in 2 or 3 minutes. Any reasonably advanced and developed person of the higher races of humanity already has developed full consciousness in the astral body. This astral body is ready to be utilized as a medium, but in most cases, it doesn't occur because the clear efforts required to make it happen are not taken by the person. These efforts have to be undertaken till this becomes a habit. So, we will now discuss the awakening in the astral plane in the next video. Stay tuned.